Welcome to our 360-degree virtual tour of Big Pine Creek Campground in the Inyo National Forest. This is dry camping available for reservation on recreation.gov, and in the summer of 2025, the rate is $26 per night. Pan around by using your mouse, TV controller, or tilting your phone. And please make sure you're watching at maximum resolution in order to have the best experience. Camp host is on the right and trash on the left. We enter the one-way loop to the right. Site 2 is on our right. Pardon the camera shake, this road has seen better days. Site 3 is a small pull-through on our right. Coming up, we have trash and recycle, restrooms, and a water spigot. Now the Forest Service webpage says potable water is not available at this site, but we do see spigots. Apparently, there's extra vehicle parking down this way. Site 4 is on our left. As is Site 5, which is pretty small. We see some structures up on the right, but not sure what those are for. Site 6 is on the left, and then 7 across from it on the right. Site 8 is on the right. Site 9 is on the right with a very interesting kind of stone foundation, perhaps from an old cabin. Site 10 is on the left. Site 11 on the right. Site 12 is on the left. And 13 is on the right. We've got some restrooms up ahead here on the right. And then sites 14 and 15 share a driveway on the left. Trash and recycle are on the right. We're going to stay to the right on this single-lane bi-directional road. It looks like it's headed to a little loop up here. Site 16 is on our right. The loop enters on the left. It's quite narrow back here, definitely not for big rigs. There's trail access here. This probably heads down to Upper Sage Flat and Sage Flat campgrounds. Site 17 is on the left. And Site 18 is on the left as well. And we've already seen 16, which is now on our left. Make sure to catch our travel video about this area. We'll put a link to it in the description, and also to a few other virtual tours we did of campgrounds in the area. If you're finding this useful, consider liking this video and subscribing. It's the best way to support our channel, and you'll get notified about future tours and camping adventures. Now we'll continue to the other side of the fork. Site 19 is on the right. That's Big Pine Creek running right along the right side of us here. This campground is about as close as you can get to the trailhead. No need to find parking if you stay here. Site 20 is on the left, and 21 is on the right. We see a water spigot on the left. Did I mention the roads are pretty rough here? We think that's Site 22 on the right. And Site 23 is on the left. Another water spigot on the left, and Site 24 is on the right. Now we rejoin another loop here, and it looks like Site 27 is back there to the left. Site 28 is on our left. Site 29 is on our left. And Site 30 is on the left. Now we rejoin the main loop heading towards the campground exit. Well, this concludes our virtual tour of Big Pine Creek Campground. We thank you for joining us, and we wish you happy camping adventures.